Hi, hello, my name is Rafael Brasilius, and this is my linked list queue application. And to start off, let's run the program first. Here we are. Let's enqueue something. Enter a song. So let's say queue, whatever. So yep, there's our first song list. This is the display. And let's enqueue another one. Oops. Let's try one again. Queue. Okay. Then input another one. Stack. Another one. There you go. So that's how the enqueue goes around, and using the queue theory, and we go with the queue. Okay. There we go. We have the queue, the first value that we have input, which is Q. So as you can see here in the list, it's not here anymore. Let's try doing 3 just to show you how to do the display. There you go. It's not there anymore. See? So that's the queue again. Another thing that we have input, stack. There you go. And yeah, that's how the program goes. So let's look at the code now. In the code, I've included the library string, as you can see. And like any other linked list, we have a node, we have a struct called node, and then we have inside the struct we have a variable data that has a data type of string, and we have a pointer that is called next. Yep, and we have a head as our object, and also we have a node. This is a function that returns a node or a pointer, some sort of, and it has a parameter of a node value, or the struct. It has a parameter of a struct, and the void display function has a parameter as well, the same parameter, and this one is this returns a value struct, which is here. And looking at the main function, I made another node called temp, and I initialized it to a new mode so it would have a space. I also made a integer variable called pick, and I have made a loop, a while loop. And this is the menu, the switch. Case 1, when the user has pick enqueue. So let's go there. So string, I have made a variable called title that has a data type of string, and I have personally asked the user to enter a song, and yep, there it is. And then we made a new node called TMP, or temporary, I should say, and we have initialized it to a new node. So yeah, the TMP has points to the data that is inside the struct called data, right? So it is equals to the title that I have inputted here. Therefore, the value holds TMP title, and after that, the next one has the TMP points to the next, which um, makes the value of it null. And after that, if the head, which is right here in this first struct, is null, then what it would do is basically make the head equals to the here, the TMP that I've made, the pointer TMP. Else I made a Q variable, uh, yeah, Q pointer in the struct, and then I made a loop. After the loop, I pointed the Q next, which is the last thing in the node that we have made, and equal it to temp. So then it would actually be the last thing in our queue. After that, we return the value q, and as we return, we go to display. Display is right here. Okay, so you have cout song list, then q equals head. Well, q is not null, then it will see out this, see out q data, and it would actually move a pointer to the next pointer, same pointer anyway. So that's how the display works. Now when we are dequeuing, um, here we have if the head is equals to null, then there is nothing in there since it is null, so it's empty. Else q is equals to head, therefore is it is pointing, the q is pointing to the head. And that is to be returned. Cout, you have the queued data, which is the current data, and then oh, never mind. The first data, which is key, which is the first thing that we have inputted, is being dequeued here, and we set the head into the next queue. Therefore, it's basically deleting the first thing that we have inputted in the node, or the pointer that we made in the struct. So it returns the key value. When it returns the key value, it displays it displays again, and yeah, that's how the program works. This is the linked list with Q. Thank you.